Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to flash a Samsung Nexus S from Sprint over to Virgin Mobile. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is we need to hook up our Samsung device, and we're going to go ahead and put it into diagonal mode by on your phone dialer type in star pound 8778 pound star. Okay, now you get the screen here that says modem PDA. You want to hit modem on both. That's my kid going crazy in the background. Okay. Now, although it shows there's an ADB device, it won't actually give you an ADB device. You're now in diagonal mode. Okay, so we're going to close that out right there. Now, we need to find out what the SPC is. So we're going to go find out what the port is. Now the diagonal drivers, you need to find that on basically on your own. I'm assuming that you already have them installed, but I use PDA-net for that. If I find the link, I'll post it. Okay, so we're going to go to devices and printers. We're going to look for Nexus hardware, universal serial port. Alright, it's on port number 3, so we're going to hit OK. Now we're going to go here, COM3, connect. Okay, it's saying that it's not there. So what I need to do is to reset my phone. Now I usually wouldn't show that. I just edited out the video. But it's something that I feel like it needs to be shown. Okay, so I got my phone back on. Now I'm going to go to the dialer, hit star pound 8778 pound star modem. Okay. Now we're at COM3. Let's hit connect. It's connected connectfully, so we're going to read it. Now let's go over here to security. I'm sending the SPC. That is, by the way, this is not the actual SPC right here. For some reason, 000 works. Okay, now let's go to send. Okay, Samsung default. Now we're going to type in 000, right? Okay. Now let's close this out. Yes. Okay, so now we're going to open up. I'm going to use DFS 3.3.07. Actually, yeah. Now, we're going to click that. Now, I'm going to send the SPC. Okay. And I'm also going to send the default password. Oops. Okay, so it's saying that everything's been read. Now we're going to go to programming here. We're going to hit read there. We're going to hit read there, read there, read there, read there, read there, and read there. Alright, so you notice that a lot of these haven't been filled out. It just is what it is with Samsung. There's a way to do it, but honestly I don't know what it is right now, and I haven't looked into it enough because this method works. Now this is the actual true SPC right here, 980.213. We're going to copy that and we're going to put it somewhere else. Control V. Very good to take notes. Okay, so we've got that all figured out right there. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and shut this down because we have everything we need from that. Now we need to connect our Optimus V to this thing. Now Optimus V has to be running a stock ROM. Okay, and also now installing device driver software. While it's doing all that, it's getting when you first start your phone automatically starts with ADB enabled and diagonal drivers or diag mode. But once it gets past the boot screen, all of that ends very quickly. Okay, so all of that has been installed. So we see that it's on COM5. So what we need to do is go into CDMA Workshop. Okay. And you've only got like 30 seconds before this stops. We need to go to SPC LG method, hit read. Need to connect to the COM port first. Now we go to security, read that. Okay, so it says 0000. I've already got mine. Now what we need to do on our phone is we need to go to dialer and type in pound pound PORT pound. So we're going to close that out. It's probably the most boring tutorial I've ever done in my entire life, to be honest with you. Alright, so let's go into LG NPST. We're going to go to File, select DLL. By the way, this is the exact same method for the LG marquee. We have to do this exactly the same way. So, same DLL, everything. Okay, so we're going to hit OK. Phone setting. We're going to hit read. Okay, now we're going to hit exit. Yep. Now if you have the LG marquee, you have to do that same process with the LG marquee. It'll have a different COM port on there. Okay, now let's open up DFS. Yes. This is a long process right here. So we're going to connect to Samsung Mobile Diagnostic COM port. Actually, excuse me. Oops. Copy. Okay, so we're going to send the password first. Then we're going to send the SPC. If you hit the wrong one, you're going to have to reset your phone, turn off the modem, reset everything. Okay. Now we're going to go to LG serial port number 5. Okay. So we're going to hit all zeros for that. I suggest changing your SPC to zeros as soon as you get opportunity. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go to programming. Make sure that you're on the LG phone right here. And by the way, I just want to point out right now, put your Samsung device or LG marquee into airplane mode. If it isn't already, you need to do it right now. Okay? Now, let's go to read right here. Alright? Now, we're going to go to change this up, and we're going to hit that Samsung modem, whatever. Okay? And we're going to hit write. Okay, it successfully wrote it. Now we're going to reset that device. Now let's go back up here. We're going to read everything, read, read. Okay, now we're going to go in here and we're going to go to the Samsung diagnostic port. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to send this password right here. We're going to send this SPC just because it works. Now we're going to make sure that we're on the Samsung. I tell you, the only reason I say that over and over again is because I've accidentally hit the wrong thing and it screws your phone up. Hit right, hit right, hit right, hit right, hit right. Okay, we're gonna go to NAM. We're gonna go up here to the LG again, and we're gonna hit read. Okay, now we're gonna click on the Samsung button here and make sure that it's on the Samsung. We're gonna hit right. Okay, now we're gonna go to data over here and make sure we're on the LG, and we're gonna hit read. Okay, now up here we're gonna go to the Samsung diagnostic port and we're gonna hit right. Okay, so now we're gonna go to mobile IP and we're gonna go up here to the LG. We're gonna click read there. Okay, so one thing is the active profile. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 profiles. Only 3 of them are being used, and number 1 is the active profile. So this one right here is the active profile. What I do is this. First thing on your phone, you're gonna have to make a shortcut with any cut to CDG2. I made another video on that, and maybe I can't get it to show up right now, but I'll do something on that for you too. Okay. All right. So we're gonna read that. Now we're gonna go to Samsung diagnostic, and we're gonna hit right, and we're gonna hit right again. Then up here we're gonna go to LG, and then we're gonna go to the active profile, and we're gonna hit the. It already read it, so okay, we're gonna hit right. We're gonna hit right. Now we're gonna go to the LG, and we're gonna go down to the 3rd profile. Okay, and then we're gonna go up here to Samsung, and we're gonna hit right, and then we're gonna hit right. Okay, now we're going to reset the device. And one thing that we're gonna do now is, first thing is to see if I'm gonna take my other phone, I'm gonna put it into airplane mode. Okay. I'm going to unplug my Samsung device. And I'm going to take this out of airplane mode. Now, if you look at I'm taking it out of motor mode and put it into PDA mode, and I'm going to connect it real quick because I wanted to show you this. We're going to shrink everything real quick. Okay. Notice I got the 3G signal right there. We're going to go to the little earth thing right there. And see, we are now good to go. This phone is set up. Okay. So we're done with that. We are done with that process. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off and end the video right there.